Hi guys, welcome to today's episode of Nibbling with Netta. Today we're going to be trying these new limited edition turtles. Sweet cherry caramel. Let's see what they hitting on. I'm a turtle girl. I love me some turtles. But let's see what these sweet cherry caramels hitting on. This the pack. That's how it look. Let's open them up. They come individually wrapped. I like my shit in the freezer because what? I like my shit cold. So let's open it up and see what it's on. That's how it look. It tastes like a chocolate covered cherry with caramel in there with some nuts. I like it. I think y'all will like it too. So y'all can run and not walk to y'all local grocery store and pick y'all up a pack of these sweet cherry caramel turtles. Thank y'all for watching today's episode of Nibbling with Netta. If y'all have any suggestions of things I should try, leave it in the comments. Make sure you like, follow, and share.